night and welcome to the Blitz news channel. India's Apex Medical Research Institute, Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) on Wednesday invited vaccine makers to collaborate for the development of a vaccine against the monkeypox virus. ICMR has invited expressions of interest for collaboration to develop in vitro diagnostic kits and vaccine candidates for the monkeypox virus. See this report. According to the World Health Organization, monkeypox is a viral zoonosis, a virus transmitted to humans from animals, with symptoms similar to those seen in the past in smallpox. Patients. Although it is clinically less severe, on July 23, the WHO sounded its highest level of alert for monkeypox and declared the virus as a public health emergency of international concern. PHEIC. After more than 16,000 cases and 5 deaths were reported from 75 countries, India so far has 4 confirmed cases. A person infected with the virus can experience fever, intense headache, back pain, myalgia, muscle aches, intense asthenia, and lymphadenopathy or a swelling of the lymph nodes. These symptoms can last up to 5 days. So that's it from us in this update. Thank you for your time.